Mountain of Processor Pau. I am Jamia Bilasio from this IT1B. Today, we will explore the four pillars of OOP. So, OOP is an object-oriented programming. Why object? Because as the word suggests, it uses object and programming. As you can see, we have already a sample code here. In our four pillars, first we have encapsulation. In this code, we use access modifiers like private and public to protect data from unintended class. The animal class encapsulates the name attribute as private, meaning it cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. If we run this code, the details brownie will not display. So encapsulation, it hides details of an object. And it's like putting data inside a capsule. Only certain parts of the code can access it. Next, the abstraction. Based on our code example, we have here a function make sound. So the question is what animal makes sound? We don't know and what specific animal is to make sound. We didn't understand the main point. It is unclear or vague for us. To fix the problem, let's remove this and make it a pure virtual function. Let's say virtual void and make sound function and declare equal to 0 and semicolon. Also, let's remove the open close curly brace. And this makes animal as an abstract class because we use pure virtual void function, the abstract method. Now let's talk about inheritance. We have here a class animal and class dog. So the dog class inherits from the animal class using public inheritance. This means dog can access the public protected members of animal. Here, dog inherits the make sound function method and provide its own information. So inheritance, this allows one class inherit properties and function from another class, just like a child inherit traits from his or her parents. Finally, the polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of common class and to exhibit different behaviors based on their actual class. In our main function, a dog, child class, and dog, one object, called make sound, which output arf arf. So, polymorphism, when make sound is called on a dog object, the redefined version in dog is executed. And that's a quick demonstrating of four pillars of OOP in C++. Thank you for watching.